Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'm going to show you how to brine pigtails. Here I have 2 packages of pigtails. These are not seasoned, they're not salted or anything, they're just plain. So to do this, you'll need some kind of container that could hold a gallon of water. I got this one from the dollar store and it works perfectly. To your container, you're going to add a gallon of water. To that, you're going to add a container of salt, and this one is a little bit more than 1.5 pounds. All I'm doing here is creating a brine solution, so what you'll end up with is a nice flavorful pigtail. Stir that really well until all the salt dissolves. I started brining my own pigtail after I couldn't find it anymore at the store. I had this one store that I could find it and then they stopped selling it, so I had to come up with something. Now I'm just going to add all the pigtails to the brine. The only thing they had at the store was the plain pigtail, and when you cook it, it just doesn't taste the same. So I was like, I have to brine this thing myself. Maybe a lot of you out there don't eat pigtail or don't even want to try it because you think it's gross. But that's something I grew up eating. We eat a lot of pigtails in Belize. I don't know, maybe it's just a Caribbean thing, but every store you go to, if they sell chicken, they're gonna sell pigtail. Cover it and write the date on there so that way you'll know when you started and how long you have the pigtail sitting in the brine. Put this in your refrigerator and let it sit in there for at least 3 weeks before it's ready. Well, I thought I was finished, but mine had a little bit too much in there, so I had to take out 2 cups of the water. You might not need to take out any depending on the size of the packages of pigtail you buy. Mine had a little bit too much. So in my next video coming up, I'm going to show you how I cook this pigtail with split peas. I cooked some of the pigtail after it was sitting in the brine for a week and it wasn't ready. It didn't have the salty taste that I wanted, so I waited another week and that still wasn't ready, and by the 3rd week it had the salty taste that I wanted. So give it at least 3 weeks before you cook it. So every time I want pigtail, I could just go in there and take some out and cook. The longest time I've had the pigtail in there is 8 weeks. So I'm not sure how long you can keep it in there. I think you should just look at it and see how it looks. If it looks like it's going bad, then you know you've had it in there too long. As always, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you have not yet subscribed, please don't forget to do that, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.